He stole it.
My work tools getting used on weekends.
We are making a bracket.
Is that the biggest bracket you have ever seen?
It is going to be amazing.
Is it what they refer to as a beast?
It will be.
Do you know what you should do it? You should do it highly inaccurate so we regret it later.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Graham's in there just loving Falcon life, regretting that he didn't buy his grandma's Fairmont offer or whatever the hell it was.
I would have gotten it for free.
Here we go.
So, we've got our position figured out. Unfortunately, we don't get a what's-the-name anymore, a center console. So, if anybody wants to buy an E-Series console, ED specifically, if that matters, I don't really know, let me know, and you can have it for a pineapple. It's probably worth more than that, but whatever. I don't care. So, it's essentially going to be sitting there on a bracket, and it's going to be the coolest thing since sliced bread.
So what are we doing here, Liam?
Cutting out more of this carpet that has herpes.
I think it's gone beyond herpes at this point.
It's got the
It's
clap.
horrific.
This is the best part of the carpet. You should have seen some of the other stuff that we cut out. I filled my bin like 2 weeks in a row. I am so keen for this car. I've owned it for so long and I've never done anything, and I'm finally doing it.
Well, this is going to be the most motivating thing of anything.
It will be.
Because once you feel how well it works, you'll be like, I need to go to the track.
So Matty, how far are you going back, mate? So I know where to cut the carpet.
Back to here.
Back to that bit.
Okay.
That metal bit that's sticking up.
So just, yeah.
And it's going to mount perfectly on there too.
Don't want to cut that loom, that's all.
Where's that loom?
I should just pull the seat out. I can do it later, but this is just to get it in.
While they're doing that, I'm going to add my own little addition to the roof here.
It's going to be horrible in here with him grinding, and I don't want any stuff on the lens.
Don't you know, it is getting hard, hard. I need secrets to be a part of.
How good is this thing?
Way quicker than a grinder could ever be. Safety thongs, as usual.
Yeah,
that'd
mate.
be good.
He's got his hearing protection and eye protection, but
These are also Bluetooth.
safety thongs.
Be nice.
Be nice.
So which track am I going up now, Matty? This side?
Yeah.
Up the inside of it, at least.
Yeah.
You want to get closer? To like that point of
Oh, you got it? Works with Graeme.
How's that looking? I
How's
can't
that,
really
Liam?
see.
I see what you're doing now. So.
Yeah. How perfect is it?
This is going to be the most
Leave it there.
solid handbrake mount in
like that?
history.
Where's
Like, sitting here. I think.
that's where it was.
Yeah.
But yeah, just want it as far over as possible.
Yeah. Oh, so you want it towards the seat, like that?
I think so.
Alright, well we can do that.
You could even rotate that side and leave this one so it's on a slightly angle like that.
Yeah.
so that you just pick up that. Because I know that from where I seem to feel,
Yeah.
and probably the same for you if ever you drive it, this is the most comfortable. Like it's close to
Yeah.
like this hitting like this. I found was the best.
Yeah, right. Well, I think that's close enough for
Yeah.
because like the seat when I moved it forward, when it goes forward, it's actually a bit closer over here. So
I know what you're saying. Yeah.
I
'cause
put
this
it all
is-
the way back.
Yeah.
So, like that, it's closer, obviously.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
Let me do some.
Sweet.
All right. Well, do you want to weld up the bracket? I'll do one edge and then you do one edge and we'll compare.
Okay.
Here we go, a bit of competition.
What edge do you want? Do you want the bend or the flat one?
Whatever you want.
If I was you,
Oh,
I'd,
you'll
I'd,
take that and get the.
I'd take that one if I was you.
You want that one?
It's fine. I don't care either way.
Alright.
I don't know where this came from. This is from your house, but so wherever it was before that.
What?
This.
Yeah, it was. I don't know.
Do you want to take that as like genuine forward carpet?
No, thank you. I do not want your herpes.
Do you see me skidding with fan on wheels?
Oh, would you?
Hey!
Got that on film.
These
Nice.
fucking bloody nuts he gave me.
You're right.
No skid, skids. No skid, skids. Even got original center caps.
Yeah, right.
I don't know what these are going to be like as skidders, but
Yeah, that'll be great. That'll be perfect. What are you talking about? These are going to be perfect on the front.
they're nice tires,
This
eh?
is 22550 16. Yeah, mate. Got a whole set too. You're gonna be laughing. Whole set of tyres.
Oh, no, these two are good. This one has a chunky but still holds pressure. This one has a giant hole cut in the side of it and the rim's destroyed.
Rip. Oh, well, you got two. Sweet.
Laying fat beads.
Mate, the carpet's on fire, I need the lead. I'm more worried about the lead, I don't care about the carpet.
Look at that, mate. Laying beads. Not too bad.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Is that auto dark and works in there?
Works to mint. There's a glove too. Oh, you're right-handed there.
No, I'm left.
So you want the other one?
Oh, Matt's sweaty head.
Right, now it's time for Liam's attempt. Let's see how he goes.
Gotta turn it on.
It might help.
Did you turn that Y speed up, Matty? Or?
No, I've got it quite slow. You can turn it up if you want.
Let's turn it up a little bit.
You can turn it up. Yeah. I had it quite slow for the nut. Do you want the other glove?
Yes, I do.
Let me just sneak through here. I don't know, that looks pretty good.
It does look pretty good.
That there was... I realised my problem, I had the Y speed up too high. But anyway, that bit there,
Alright, flip it over and we'll look at Tookie's weld.
Mine was on the angle, which was...
easier.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know, that's pretty good too.
Well, let's get the chipper.
I think you might have to go over that again though.
Yeah, mine, because I had the Y speed real low.
The chipper should be in there, man.
In here.
Yeah. MIA.
MIA. Use the flap disc. The flap.
Yeah, it's just there.
wire.
Well, I think it would have been fine with the slower speed. You just needed to go
Go slower.
sort of across.
Yeah. Well, I was going back and forth, but I wasn't going as much. Like I wasn't going as high as I should have been.
It's not too bad.
dodgy blokes with a gasless welder.
Alright, flip her up so we can have a look. That's Liam's one. And that's Tookie's there. Leave a comment in the description.
Yeah.
See who's got the better weld.
Who's better?
I don't think you need to go for that, Matt. You've got some good peno there.
That's pretty good, yeah.
That's welder's terms for penetration.
You won't notice that when you're sideways. It'll be fine.
Yeah. We won't notice it sideways.
Should we double insulate this? By doing inside?
Give us a look.
Oh, for sure. Just to do the welding.
Yeah, why not? We'll go round 2.
Oh, you turned the heat way up.
Yeah, I did because it's like thick
Thick
as,
as,
dude.
yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Good luck beating that one.
Oh, that is a good one.
Give us a gander.
Wow.
Oh, mate.
That's almost perfect.
That is beautiful.
Right. You want to know what I do? If you want any advice from me, which I always,
Yeah, that's what I do too.
well, okay then.
Liam thought he was going to blow Tookie's mind just then.
I'm sorry. I think even if I did blow his mind, he wouldn't have did it. He'd still like that.
Yeah, do that.
Fuck that guy. He knows I was talking about it. Righto, whatever, Liam. I'll just admit that I didn't know that. And I'll just be into that conversation.
If you ever want like proper welding advice, you know Raymond's a fully qualified like welder.
Really?
He's a caravan builder.
Yeah, right.
He could build you a trailer in a day, he reckons.
Watch out. Matty, oh no. You want to cut that off, mate? You want to cut some of that off to start a bit closer?
You beauty.
I just like doing stuff myself. I get people to help me when I need, you know, with the sound system and stuff, but stuff like this, it's just more enjoyable. Just doing it, learning on a car that doesn't matter.
That's it.
Oh, look at that for 2 seconds.
Oh my god, Liam. I just beat you.
Oh, he sounds very confident.
Well, buddy,
That is a very good weld.
there's some good filleting there.
That's beads, Liam. That's
Hang on.
TIG worthy.
Hang on.
You wouldn't be able to tell that from a TIG. Gasless MIG versus TIG, you wouldn't even know. Is there some
Should be able to
good...
get there.
Just see if you can put some dings in my beads so it doesn't look very nice.
We got Mr. Liam over here, Saboteur.
I think we're going to call that even because I won the last one and you won that one.
Alright,
I don't know. I reckon we're going to have to take it to a poll.
we will.
Well, you have a look at these ones. Look at them. I've still got slag on mine,
Yeah.
but I'm going to put Tookie in the lead there. Because I can admit when someone's better than me at something. I can't say the same for you, I'm sorry. I know I sound like an asshole, but I'm right. If someone's better than me at something, I have no issue going, you know what, you did a great job. Matthew, on the other hand, has no self-confidence and would rather argue than just go, you know what, I think you actually did a better job than me, and I would really like you to help me to learn better.
Yeah.
That's good material, Matthew.
That is proper good, I reckon.
What do you reckon? Let's rate Liam's weld out of 10. What do you reckon?
Oh, Liam's was probably about a 8, I reckon. And mine
That's a pretty high score.
And I reckon mine on that inside one was a 9. An 8 or a 9.
It's very close.
Yeah, they're very close. Liam did better on the outside weld than I did better on the inside weld.
Yeah, that last one you did was
Yeah.
on point.
I feel like it's mostly me because I set it up. For you,
Oh,
I
you
put
set it
extra
up.
heat in it and got
Yeah,
the
did ya?
wire rate right for you.
Did you?
I don't know, just because mine doesn't have the filleting, my general angle is better.
Yeah, alright.
No, whatever, I don't care. Good for you.
I reckon you're right in saying that though. The extra heat did help,
It did.
definitely.
But the difference is that I can understand welding a little bit.
Yeah.
He doesn't understand it, but he
He just does it.
does it. If there's a bloke that I wouldn't argue with but Graeme, it'd be Matthew.
Alright, let's see how she fits.
Sluts in the combo. Hose in the back.
Look at that. Beautiful bit of fabrication there, I'd say.
Beautiful. And then you can tack that wherever you want, and the back as well.
I want it in the centre. We'll get a good beat on each side then.
Yeah.
So now to do this, should we pull the seat out?
Probably.
It'll probably be easier, and then if you set fire to the
Torx
carpet...
bits. Does anybody have Torx bits? I do, but they're at Matthew's house. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Everybody not looking?
Yes. Are you just tacking it?
I'm trying. I think it needs to go up one heat. Right. It's like splattering real bad.
There you go.
I can do that now, Matty. It's holding. Let me just get a tack here.
Yep. Watch the carpet will burn. Don't do it for too long. You don't want the carpet.
It's alright, I'm on fire patrol.
Alright, I think that's good.
Yeah.
I'll try to do this front one then, mate.
Alright.
Hang on. I might jump in like on my knees.
Yeah.
Try not to melt the Turn that Y speed up just a little for me. Yeah. I'll try and hold it a bit longer above the hole.
I smell burnt hair.
Nah, that's horrible.
Fire. Just slap it with your hand.
You're at 2, aren't you?
Yeah. Want me to have a go?
Maybe turn the Y speed down again. I don't know why it's splattering. Like, you welded it on 2 before. You need to get a bit of heat into it, I think. God damn, this is a shit spot.
Well, she's red hot there.
I don't feel like I'm doing a very good job at this because it's such a hard spot.
Just watch the seat because you punched a hole in it with filament.
You want me to have a go?
Not just yet, Matty. Right. I want you to do the easy one and take all the credit.
Alright.
No, go up to 3, I reckon.
You reckon?
Yeah.
2's good. That's what I weld sheet and thin stuff.
I think the biggest thing, actually, you know what it is, it's probably because we need to heat up the bracket itself, get some heat into it first.
Yeah.
So it takes to the weld. Hang on.
That's alright. That'll be sweet. And then do the side.
Yeah.
I'll leave this open for ventilation. Well, that's not going to happen. Oh, fire under the seat. Hang on, stop, bro. That's big. Just down here. Yeah, it's right.
Oh.
You got a
Fire.
Oh, give me a headache. Oh.
Mount is looking minty, welded in the front, welded in the back, only a minimal fires.
We didn't strip the whole carpet.
We didn't strip the whole carpet, so whatever. But that is solid as a rock. That's not going anywhere, Liam.
How good is that?
Oh, it stinks in here. So yeah, now we just got to bolt the hydro like that, and we will be minty.
And then it's line time.
Yeah.